Okay, hi there. This is MC Yasin going live from RT Nagar. I just came here for an ATM for my personal issues, and I saw this guy who's been spreading awareness in RT Nagar. Since I am a local in RT Nagar, I care about my city, I care about my surroundings. I would just like to take a few seconds and appreciate sir's efforts towards the very much in news issues that is the steel bridge that our shitty government politically trying to forcefully approve it and do another scam of about 1800 crores.
Absolutely.
And just bring down 800 trees as well. So what do you think? Why are you doing this? Because
first and foremost is our city.
Yes.
It's our city is what we are concerned about. Tomorrow it's our children who's going to be living here,
Yes.
and nobody else. Our life is gone. It's going to pass that, right? At the same time, the major reason why I'm trying to do one thing is that route what they were taken out is not the only route to approach the airport. There are a lot of other routes.
True.
Just for their selfishness, they're trying to build the route all the way to the airport, and that too is going to be a toll road. Why a toll road is that question now, and that too not everybody in the city is going to be using. People who's going to fly will be using that bridge.
The
That's
7 minutes that they're talking to save, they might at least people can leave at least in half an hour early.
That's the only one thing out there.
True.
But again, you will see Vidhan Sauda getting clogged now. Now they are giving this route as a steel bridge. Now they'll plan on Vidhan Sauda. What are you going to do in Vidhan Sauda?
So
Start again.
guys,
building
just a
something
small message. If it's not now, it's gonna be never.
Yes.
Stand up, do your bit, just vote and do your bit.
Yes.
Share it. It's just, I'm not asking you to share just because I'm gonna post it online. Share it because he himself is an entrepreneur. He's got his own business. Keeping everything aside, he's spending his time spreading awareness, collecting votes. I am doing my bit. I'm asking you to do yours.
Thank you. At the same time, the second reason why I'm saying,
message to my viewers?
see, the trees are, why that they're chopping off all the 800 trees.
Yes.
Please understand, we have lost 2 rains already. Last year we lost the rain. This year we lost the rain. If we keep on chopping trees like this more and more, we'll start losing more rain. And you're very well aware, your Kaveri bed is sinking down. Underwater water is also sinking down. More and more concrete, more and more trees getting chopped. The water cannot go down. Then we all will be in trouble. Most probably, I am very much worried saying by next year itself, January onwards, are you going to get the water is a question now. There's a lot of lobbying going on. There's a lot of mafia going on the bottled waters out there. If you go to Sajapur or anything on Electron City, it's nothing but mafia there. Your water, you cannot dig it out there. Your BBMP cannot dig a water pipe and then give it to the customer.
So may I know your good name?
My name is Arun.
Sorry?
So my name is Arun.
Yes, Arun. Arun, sir, I personally, I'm being a locality in RT Nagar. I appreciate your efforts.
Cool.
Just need to thank you
I would thank you guys to at least vote for it. I want all of you to vote it. This is because it's our city. Please understand, it was a green city and now it's become a concrete jungle. I understand economy has to grow.
And the way we are bringing down trees, if we keep on doing this, I'm damn sure our Namma Bengaluru will not hold the title called Garden City, guys.
Yes.
It's the time to act, not talk. Please do your bit and cheers. See you there.
Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Thank you,
Have a nice
sir.
day, Baba.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.